Historically, the construction industry has been slow to digitize, but the advent of drone technology is changing the landscape. Drones, capturing high-resolution images and creating 3D maps, are now essential in construction for tasks like volumetric measurements and situational awareness on projects up to several square kilometers. Despite their utility, drones face limitations such as unsuitability for adverse weather conditions and larger project scales exceeding 10 to 25 square kilometers. For larger projects, satellite technology provides a macro-level view that's impractical with traditional methods, offering resolutions up to 30 centimeters. This enables extensive site surveys and environmental impact assessments at a scale suitable for megaprojects. Satellites are particularly useful for monitoring vast areas and assessing large-scale ground deformation, enhancing transparency, and improving stakeholder communication. Drones and satellites offer complementary benefits. Drones provide detailed local data, while satellites offer broad overviews, crucial for large-scale monitoring and planning. The combination of both technologies allows for a comprehensive monitoring system, reducing the need for ground presence, which enhances safety and efficiency while potentially lowering costs. This synergy is revolutionizing construction progress monitoring, promising significant advances in project management and quality control. However, the industry's skepticism about satellite data's capabilities and costs remains a barrier. Despite these challenges, both drones and satellites are poised to become indispensable tools for modern construction projects, making digital transformation in the sector not just a possibility, but a reality. Feel free to visit the source article on Geoawesome blog with more insights on the usage of technology in construction monitoring.